Live from a wellness center near you, it's the Healthy Habits Wellness Update!
Welcome to the Healthy Habits Wellness Update. I'm your host Angie, and joining me is my co-host Steven.
Today we will be discussing heart health, which is now a global concern, with heart disease being the #1 killer of Americans today.
That's right, Steven. It is estimated that 1.2 million Americans will have a first or recurrent heart attack this year, and approximately 452,000 will die as a result.
Wow, Angie, those are shocking statistics. Well, worldwide, heart disease does kill approximately 17 million people per year. That's almost 1/3 of all deaths globally.
I don't know about you, but that's a statistic that I don't want to be a part of. Let's talk about how we can improve our heart health.
Great idea, Angie. Well, if you want to enjoy a long, active life full of energy and vitality, you need to put your heart into it.
That's right, Steven. Maintaining a strong, healthy cardiovascular system is essential to your overall health and quality of life.
And just like so many other things in our life, it is better to start right now. Why wait? Start making life choices today that will give you the heart of a champion.
Yes. Step 1, step up your game. Studies show that moderate physical activity can strengthen your heart. Moderate activity should have you breathing more heavily, and talking during activity should require more effort.
That's right. We have included some information in this week's email on how to figure your maximum and target heart rates so that you can monitor your intensity during workout.
Some exercises that are great for getting the heart pumping include jogging, weightlifting, and playing sports.
You can also track your steps throughout the day as a goal. Walking 6,000 to 10,000 steps every day is terrific.
What is most important is to try different types of exercise. Find the ones you really enjoy and make them a regular part of your life.
Step 2, eat like a winner. Your diet should include lean protein and healthy fatty acids like omega-3s.
Also, make sure to include in your diet plenty of fruits and vegetables to get your antioxidants, and make sure to stay hydrated with plenty of water. You should never skip meals, and you shouldn't eat anything within a few hours of going to sleep.
For more information on heart-healthy foods and their benefit, make sure to check out the slideshow that is included in this week's email.
Step 3, rest, recharge, and rejuvenate. Sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of heart problems. You need a minimum of 5 to 8 hours of sleep each day.
That's right. The reason is that most of the repair and regenerative work of the body occurs while we sleep.
Well, that was some really great information. Make sure that you read your email and look at all of the additional information included.
Then join us again next week for information on long-term wellness and maintenance of your healthy weight.
Thank you for joining us this week. This is Angie.
And this is Steven for Healthy Habits, signing out.